Hello, and welcome to the Grade 1 Music Theory Untangled course. There are 9 lessons in this series of videos and worksheets. Watch this short video lesson for Lesson 2, which focuses on clefs, notes, stems and bar lines. Then find the concepts discussed in your concept sheets. Refer to these concepts as you complete the exercises for this lesson. Mark your work using the answer sheets, and remember that there will sometimes be more than one correct answer. If you are unsure, check with your teacher. Let's begin. Music is written on a staff or stave, which has 5 lines and 4 spaces. A clef is what we put at the beginning of the music to tell us whether we're reading high or low sounds. A treble clef or a G clef indicates high sounds. A bass clef or F clef indicates low sounds. When we write notes, we also have to think about which direction the stem is going. If the round part, which is called the note head, is on the middle line of the stave, then the stem can go up or down. If the note head is lower than the middle line of the stave, then the stem must go up on the right. If the note head is higher than the middle line, then the stem must go down on the left. Pitch is indicated not only with notes, but with accidentals. These are symbols that are added to change a sound by a semitone. What is a semitone? It's the distance between one note and the very next note. A sharp will raise a note by 1 semitone, or it will move it up to the very next note. A flat will lower a note by a semitone, or will move it down to the very next note. A natural will cancel a sharp or a flat that has come before it. There will be more on this in Lesson 4. Here is a sample question of rhythm where the bar lines had to be added. The time signature is 2/4 time, which means 2 crotchet beats in every bar. So that means we're going to count the number of crotchets in each bar and place a bar line after them. At the very end, we use a double bar line, which indicates a full stop or the end. The most common mistakes made by students are these: putting stems in the wrong direction or on the wrong side of the note head, or both, forgetting to put a bar line at the end, or using a single rather than a double bar line. That triplets are 3 notes played in the same time as 2 of the same kind, and not checking the time signature and the number of beats in each bar. You are now ready to work through the Lesson 2 online quiz, then the worksheets. The information in this lesson can be found in your concept sheets. Refer to these as you complete the online quiz, then again as you complete the worksheets for this lesson. Mark your work by comparing your answers to the answer sheets. Remember that there may be more than one correct answer for each question. If you are unsure, check with your teacher. See you next lesson.